Good day everyone, and a rainy and cozy afternoon to us over here at Quezon City. Today we're going to check out this beautiful 3-story modern townhouse with an attic located in prime area near Cubao, Quezon City. But before we head on to that, please don't forget to subscribe to our official YouTube channel, Beyond Spaces Philippines, and check out our Facebook page for new listings. I'm Andrea, and let's start the house tour. This house has a garage that can fit 2 to 3 cars with the use of this smart parking technology or carving. It's actually the same as the one we have on our previous video. If you haven't seen that, please check it out. And over here is your receiving area. So each homeowner will have their electronic door lock over here. Alright, and upon entering, you can see that you have huge doors. So this is your toilet. The door and the stairs are actually made up of candileja wood. So the first room that we have over here is your storage room. And over here we have your toilet and bath. So welcome to your bedroom number 1. So they say that this room is best for people who doesn't really want to go up and down the stairs. We also think it's best for those who just really want to go straight into bed after a full day of work. And we also know some people who would like to convert spaces like this or rooms like this into their own personal studio, or maybe your home office if you like. So it's really up to you guys. Some people even like to put a massive mirror over there. It's really up to you. So now let's head on to the second level of the house. Alright, so we're now here on the second level of your home. And this house is actually a smart house. So we have fully integrated sound system, which can be controlled by these controllers over here. Also, we have light switches that are touch sensitive. See that? And it's also accessible to children because it's just 1 meter from the ground. Okay, so follow me. I'll show you the living area. So you have these massive windows over here that really complements the well-lit area. Over here we have your balcony that also serves as your fire exit. And maybe if you have some family and friends over, this can also be your mini smoking area if you like. Alright, and over here is your living area. So this area perfectly blends your living area to your dining area, which can comfortably fit an 8-seater dining table. So as this interior suggests, you can also opt to include some lighting, modern lighting over here, and this area also has a cove type of lighting. And they also included some built-in storage to keep the clutter away from, the living area and the dining area. So there. So this makes up your living and dining area. Now from your dining area, let me take you now to your enclosed kitchen or pantry area. So you have here your huge kitchen with lots of storage for your food, and also has a designated space for your refrigerator. So as you can see, it really is well thought of. It has a lot of storage over here. And over here is your double sink, right? So if you want to put maybe an electric stove over here, you may want to, keep the door away, keep the smoke away from your house, right? So this is perfect for those people who doesn't want the smell to be all over the house. So you can opt to open these windows over here. Who finds baking, a relaxing activity for them, this is perfect for you guys. Maybe for those who want to cook alone, this is perfect for you guys. All right. Now let me take you to this floor's powder room. Now from your kitchen or pantry area, over here is your outer room, which has a massive mirror. Look at that. Now that covers the entire second floor. Comment down below what's your favorite part of this level is. For me, it's personally the kitchen or the pantry area because of the privacy that you have while cooking or maybe baking. Now we're going to head on to the third level of the house where most of the bedrooms are located. Come on, guys. Upon landing on the third level of the house, you have over here a common work area. You can add some inspirations over here, maybe some travel photos, and this keeps your work away from the bedroom. So let's head over onto your bedroom number 2. Now this room has a built-in storage and can fit a queen-size bed, just like one over here, and has enough space for the bedside table. And over here is your ensuite toilet and bath. So we're still here on the third level of your house. So right next to bedroom number 2 is your master bedroom. So as you can see, this spacious room has enough space for a king-size bed. It also has cove lighting and a built-in stereo. Alright, now let me take you through your balcony. So what I like about this balcony is the sliding doors, how convenient you can open them, and the light that comes through with this spacious balcony that you have on your master bedroom. So from your balcony, let me take you back to your master bedroom to see what else we have over here. Before we head on to the door over there, I'll just highlight the storage that you have over here and the vanity area that you have, and a space dedicated for your air conditioning unit. Now over here is your mini walk-in closet and ensuite toilet and bath. Now that covers the entire master bedroom. Let me lead you now to the very beautiful and cozy attic. We're on the top level of your house, and this sliding door leads to your attic. Just to get an inspiration from the interior of this house, you can put a coffee table and maybe transform this into your entertainment area for your friends or for your family. But again, it's still up to you because you can transform this space into your own man cave, or maybe your own library, or maybe transform this into another bedroom because it also has its own toilet and bath. What I like about this toilet and bath on this particular floor is how well lit it is because of the natural light coming in from the top window. On top of the huge mirror that we have over here, what I like about this is how they polished this with some embellishments, like stone-like embellishments over here, as it adds sophistication into your toilet and bath. Alright, now over here is a massive space that you can transform into maybe a kids room, a nursery room, or just a huge storage area for all your things. And apart from this space that you have, you also have built-in storage. Surprise guys, it's now sunny again, so allow me to take you through the amenity area. So you have over here your lush garden. Over there are some benches. You can chit-chat with your neighbors if you want. And over here is the common pool. We have completed our house tour for today. Thank you guys for coming along and staying all throughout the entire video. I hope you guys liked it here. Comment down below your favorite part of the house. Mine is definitely the attic because I can already imagine the many ways that space can be transformed into. If you want to list your properties with us, or you want to get featured in our YouTube channel, just drop us an email at beyondspacesph@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell button to get notified every time we upload fresh videos. So there you have it guys, I'm Andrea and see you on our next video.